All right, we start this week and the government is still shut down. The impact of that is we are not getting a lot of economic reports out right now. And that, my friends, is what is keeping interest rates right around that 6% range for VA. And that's where we are as we start the week, right at 6%, 6.01. We got down into the fives last week, but went up a little bit on Friday. Conventional, we're right around 6.2, 6.25. Really low, really coming lower. That's great news, but we don't have a lot of economic news. And here's a real kicker. I'm going to go over the economic news, but this is the bottom line. The government needs to get back to work. Congress or the Senate needs to pass the CR, because at the end of the month, and we got 2 weeks left, if our military members do not get paid, those military members who are actually trying to buy a home, they're not going to be able to close on their loan because they don't have paid. They're not getting paid. We don't know how long this is going to last. The banks aren't going to lend money if there is a risk that the buyers will default because they're not getting paid. All right. We love the fact that when we're in the military, we're guaranteed that paycheck. But right now, military members got the paycheck on the 15th, but they are not going to get paid on the 31st. So we do have one big piece of economic news coming out, and that will be on Friday. And that is the Consumer Price Index. All right. The Consumer Price Index, the reading is really month over month expected to be pretty steady at 0.4, and what we're looking at year over year, probably going to go from 2.9 up to 3.1. That's the consensus. If it comes in at 3.1 or below, guess what? That's good news. We'll see interest rates possibly go down by the end of the week. So big report coming out end of the week, and one of the reasons I know why the report could come in as a positive surprise, gas prices are low right now. We're gonna get below possibly $3 a gallon for gas in some parts of the U.S. All right, that's all I got for you. Have a great week. Aloha.